Numpy, broadcasting Ndarray of Booleans. I have a situation in which I have an Ndarray x of floats, let's say 100 by 10, and I want to look at some conditions on the first column and create a Boolean Ndarray b of shape 100 by 1. Then I want to use b as an index into x to pull out values where a true is located. However, for each true in b I want to pull out the entire row of x. I thought this would work automatically, as b would be broadcast to a 100 by 10 shape. However, it doesn't seem to work this way. Here's an example using 2 by 2 and 2 by 1 Ndarrays. This prints. I expected it to print 1 2. Why doesn't the broadcasting work the way I expect?
The rules for so-called fancy indexing are detailed here. In particular, when the index obj is a number py array of type bool, x obj is always equivalent to, but faster than, x obj.non-zero, where, as described above, obj.non-zero returns a tuple of length obj.dim of integer index arrays showing the true elements of obj. Since b a is equivalent to b a dot non-zero, which is if you want to use a Boolean array A to select rows of B, then, as Joran Beasley states, just keep A as a one-dimensional Boolean array.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.